I'm Mihir Baxi, President Global Sales for Jyoti CNC Automation Limited. Jyoti CNC is been into CNC machine manufacturing since 1989, and we have been making a range of machines right from smallest turning machines to large multitasking machines and 5-axis machines, vertical machining centers, and double column machining centers, and horizontal machining centers as well. We cater to the industry from aerospace, die mold, oil and gas, automotive, medical implants, and even EMS sectors. Today, the entire world is looking for more and more complex part machining, and Jyoti and Hurun has a solution. Right from turning to multitasking and multi-axis machines. In this show, we have been displaying all our latest models, which also covers the large multitasking machines called MTX Series Machines, MTX 300. Then we have a vertical spindle, full 5-axis machine, specially made for aerospace and die mold. Then we have a new introduction model called GU Series 5-axis multitasking machine, and also various combinations of turning and turn mill machines with automation. We have been participating in EMO since many years. Our subsidiary Hurun, 100% owned subsidiary Hurun Grafenstaden, is based in France, and they have been participating from last 50 years in the EMO. We, Jyoti, have been also participating in different shows in US, in Canada, and in Middle East and many other countries, and we have been catering to market worldwide, including our major market is Europe, US, Mexico, Canada, Middle East, Africa, and also South American countries. I welcome you everybody to visit our booth at the hall number 15 at the EMO.